Welcome to English Listening Journey. Do you translate words in your head before speaking English? Does it slow you down and make conversations difficult? If so, you are not alone. Many learners struggle with speaking fluently because they think in their native language first, then translate into English. This makes sentences unnatural and speaking slow. But there is a better way. You can train your brain to think in English, and today, I will show you why it's important and how to do it. Why thinking in English is important. 1. You speak faster and more naturally. When you stop translating, your words come out quickly and smoothly. Instead of searching for words, your brain automatically picks the right ones. This helps you sound more like a natural speaker. 2. You stop making awkward mistakes. Every language has different sentence structures. If you translate directly from your native language, your English might sound unnatural. Thinking in English helps you avoid translation errors and makes your sentences clearer. 3. You feel more confident. Many learners feel nervous when speaking English because they don't trust their ability to form sentences correctly. Thinking in English removes the extra step of translation, making you feel more confident when you speak. 4. You understand English better. When you think in English, your listening and reading skills improve too. You stop mentally translating everything, and your brain starts processing English faster. How to train your brain to think in English. Now, let's talk about how you can start thinking in English. Here are simple exercises to train your brain. Step 1. Name things around you in English. Start with simple words. When you see something, say its name in English in your head. Example, you see an apple. Instead of thinking manzana in Spanish and translating it, just think apple. Do this exercise every day to build your vocabulary and get used to English words. Step 2. Think in simple sentences. When you do something, describe it in English in your head. Example, when you wake up, think, I am waking up now. I feel tired. When you are eating, think, I am eating rice. It tastes good. This helps your brain get comfortable forming sentences without translating. Step 3. Talk to yourself in English. When you are alone, try speaking English out loud or in your mind. Describe what you are doing. I am walking to the bus stop. Ask yourself questions. What will I eat for dinner? And answer them in English. Talking to yourself helps you practice thinking and speaking naturally. Step 4. Use an English-only dictionary. Instead of translating words from your native language to English, use an English-to-English dictionary. Example, if you don't know the word confident, look it up and read. Confident means feeling sure about yourself. This way, you learn new words without translating them into your native language. Step 5. Watch and listen in English. When you watch movies, YouTube videos, or listen to podcasts in English, try to understand the meaning without translating. If you don't understand a word, look at the context and guess its meaning. The more you listen to English, the easier it becomes to think in English. Step 6. Write in English every day. Try keeping a simple diary in English. Write about your day. Today, I went to the park. It was sunny. This trains your brain to form sentences directly in English. Step 7. Speak with other English learners. Find a speaking partner and agree to speak only English together. Even if you both make mistakes, the goal is to think in English and express ideas without translating. A simple exercise to help you think in English. Here is a fun exercise to practice thinking in English every day. 1-minute thinking challenge. 1. Pick a topic, for example, my favorite food or my last vacation. 2. Set a timer for 1 minute. 3. Try to think only in English about that topic for 1 minute. 4. If you get stuck, don't switch to your native language. Use simple words to explain the idea. 5. Repeat this daily with new topics. This helps you train your brain to stay in English mode. Final thoughts. Thinking in English is a powerful skill that will help you speak more fluently, naturally, and confidently. Start small by naming things around you in English. Practice thinking in English every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Keep going. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Soon, English will feel natural and automatic to you. Now it's your turn. Try the 1-minute thinking challenge today and tell me how it goes in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to English Listening Journey for more English learning tips. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.